Energetica India is at Intersolar Gujarat 2026. Right now we are with Mr. Vaibhav Joshi, Regional Sales Manager, Gronsol. Hello sir, how are you feeling today?
Yeah, thank you so much for having me here. And it's a wonderful day to start solar journey in such a huge solar ecosystem to promote PM Modi's dream of PM Surya Ghar Yojana. So thank you for having me.
Thank you for your time as well. So tell us a little about Gronsol. Tell us about the company profile. What does it do? The products and the projects you're working on.
Right. Frankly speaking, Gronsol is a Surat-based manufacturing inverter manufacturing firm. So we have our own assembly unit and SMT line as well. We manufactured inverters from the basics of it. We manufactured the PCB of inverters. So that is good. I mean, we are doing something to promote the entire solar ecosystem for the Indian market. Apart from that, we have doing aggressively marketing from last 1 year, and we got some huge client base in all over the India, and we are doing good right now. We can say that.
What are your expectations from Intersolar this year?
Yeah, so Intersolar is always a good to promote our products and entire journey of ours, to showcase those journey and product line of ours in the Indian market. And Intersolar is one of the biggest expos in central and western region, I guess. So that also give us advantage to showcase our entire product line to the entire EPC and trader kind of ecosystem. So that is there.
Are you showcasing any product, any existing product this year?
Yeah. So we have a product range of on-grid inverters from 1 kilowatt to 136 kilowatt. Apart from that, we have hybrid inverters which are compatible with our lithium-ion batteries, and we have range of hybrid inverters from 3 kilowatt to 20 kilowatt in LV series, low voltage series. For HV series, we have range from 30 kilowatt to 80 kilowatt, and we are also coming up with our PCBs, PCS, which is the bigger kind of things in energy storage system, or you can say it as a battery energy storage system or base systems like that. Yeah.
So how has the response been so far?
Response is good. It's just a first day, so can't talk much about it, but we are having good footfall and everything. And we also have micro inverters, ma'am, which are booming at the market this from past 2 months. So we are getting good on orders and good numbers, achieving good numbers into the industry. Thank you.
That's good to know. Also, I would like you to ask about the key industry trend that is currently shaping your business strategy at Gronsol. Is it localization, storage, hybrid systems, or anything else?
Right. So as I started with that, we have our own SMT line. So at our facility, we have around 150 to 180,000 inverters per year manufacturing capacity with us. So that is a plus point for us. And in this solar ecosystem, or this booming, you can say so, that we have all kind of product ranges with us, and obviously in roof mounted series. So that is the plus one for us now.
Is there anything in the pipeline?
Yes, there are some hidden mysteries are there, but we will definitely do the unboxing of those mysteries soon. Soon you will find it out.
Would you like to reveal even a little bit about that?
Not at the moment, ma'am, but definitely we will do a small event for that as well. Yeah.
We hope that we will be coming to cover that also.
Yeah, sure. We will.
Thank you, and good luck for all the new projects that are still hidden. We hope that they bring you more success and good luck in the future. Thank you so much for your time.